Well, we're getting the board and batten and the siding put up. Windows are in. Looking good. We're Dave and Karen from Wax on Wheels. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our two Can-Am motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video. Oh, there's the siding. Seeing how we're getting ready to go. Now we got to pick colors. And here we get the board and batten going up on the side, and it'll be in the front. Gonna look good. Well, they got the casing for the big door in. They're gonna have the manufacturer come out and help get it installed. Starting to get the screen porch blocked in for a door over here. And then there's going to be a door over here. They still have to build a half wall across here. And then we'll have board and batten on the inside of the walls in the screen porch. We got a front door put in. Hope you enjoy the music. Yeah, I'm standing on the RV garage pad. A few more weeks that'll be put in. Got our board and batten and siding on. Gonna be pretty. We like the farmhouse look, but we didn't want to do all white and all board and batten. So we've got it going up and down with board and batten, also some regular horizontal siding, and we are going to mix up the colors with an off-white and like a charcoal. Kind of wet out here, gotta be careful where I'm walking, it's muddy. Front of the house. Board and batten's gonna go in there. It'll be tongue and grooved wood up in here, the ceiling, and the porch. Guest room over here, board and batten on top. Nice big entry to the door. So this whole thing is a front porch. Have a chandelier hanging there. These trees are going to get a lot of clearing, so you can see the road over there, and you can be able to see the house from the road a little bit. So we had a problem with our RV garage pad. They decided to nail some of the trusses together, and when they did that, it popped holes in the concrete. Our builder is currently working on a resolution for this, which is going to include an insurance company, and we will probably end up with an epoxy-coated garage. Just to show, these chips are terrible. They're freaking everywhere. Building trusses on this expensive concrete, and this is going to have to be fixed or dig up the slab and replace the whole freaking slab. Epoxy it, that would be okay. We can live with that, but can't live with it the way it is. Ooh, when it rains, it comes down. So I definitely need a good gutter system. So they got the siding all put up. Here's the front of the house. Board and batten on top. Siding on the side. This is all hardy plank, cement board. Here's our front porch. Board and batten, and then all these posts are going to be wrapped with cedar and have stone around the bottom. We'll have stone around the bottom part of the whole house on two sides, and we got this nice wood ceiling in here. We'll have a hanging chandelier and then just a puck light up there. And this has not been painted yet. It is not going to be your typical white all white farmhouse. There's our view up front. Then they got the board and batten up here again. There will be a crow's foot above where Dave is in that gable, crow's foot in this one, crow's foot in that one. Don't think, there may be one up in that one as well. Those upper windows are just attic garage space, which is not truly an attic. Board and batten here. There's the big doors that are going to be going into the living room probably this week. This week they're going to start stoning on the outside and maybe drywall. They got to get the inspection first, so that drywall may not be till next week. Coming in from the garage, we just spent quite a bit of time trying to figure out where the furniture is going to go and what size rug we need and where the plug in the floor needs to be. We got some chalk marks we put on here and determined that the plug that we had put in the floor was not going to be in the right spot. So they're going to have to move that. Let me see what you got there, Dave. Show us what you got, Dave.
That's my box. It goes behind the mantle. My drawers.
So what's the idea behind this?
Well, the idea is the mantle attaches to these two drawers, and you take the mantle and pull it out.
Got storage.
And you got
Place for your videos
place
and
for videos, remote controls, whatever.
ammo.
Handguns.
And that's going to go.
Battens.
Can you pick that up and show us where you're hoping it's going to go? We've got some changes I'll have to make for this to work, or else we may have to skip it altogether. But we like the idea of the extra little storage there.
Right about here.
So they'll have to cut that out, and
They'll figure it out.
yeah, and show you our 𝗶𝗟𝗏𝗀𝗍𝗍 fireplace. It's got a glass on it, and it's going to have the fake logs in it, run by propane. It's 42 inch by 36, I believe. And we thought it was going to be ventless, and we see we have a vent, which is kind of bugging up the mantle drawer thing that Dave made. So we're going to see, we might still be able to make this work. Try to get that back in there. But this gas line is sticking out, so they'll have to snug that up to the wall. So we'll see how that goes, or else Dave's going to have to cut a notch out of the drawer. So with all these little chalk marks, we figured out sofa here, table here, recliners over here, and what else we got? We got the wall put in the screened-in porch. That's where the sofa will go, outdoor for sofa. There'll be a door right there going outside. This will be all screened. There'll be a screen door over there, and then there's the vent hood for the grill. And then we'll have, you know, like a working table over here, and then we'll put a big TV up there as well. I think that's about all the changes for this trip out here. Just made sure that all the things we wanted moved got moved, and they did. Got the stud put in where they needed it. Got the board and batten going the way we wanted it. And they had put a bunch of cans in for can lights, and we were putting puck lights in. So they removed all those so we could put the puck lights in. They had those, over half of them done in the whole house. Moving along. Gonna wait for the inspection now. Got some good news. Next week they are going to be putting in the RV garage, and it's a week early, but it's actually late because we were supposed to get it by the end of July. But they had told us August 12th, and now it's going to be August 5th. So, yay for that. So it looks like our neighbor's got some equipment out here and he's done some grading. That's probably where he's going to put his house. Guess he's planning on having a few bonfires. Glad to see him moving forward after cutting the trees down. Can almost see our house back in there. Did you see that, Dave? In the winter you probably will. Barely see it in there, because that's actually the front of the house right there. Then we come around this corner, and that's our entrance driveway, entrance to the side entry garage to the house, and the RV garage. And the exit driveway. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.